Okay, everybody, thanks for joining us tonight when we were learning some tuck turn variations. The first variation we learned is a tuck with an over rotation
To a rock and go.
to a rock and go. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. From the other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So we're just, fellas, you're giving us, ladies, the over rotation. So as we come around, rather than just us anchoring back, you're continuing the rotation. You're continuing that rotation to open me up vertically for the 5. And then we're just come back on 6, 7, and 8, and then we'll anchor step.
Leads, we also had the option, instead of doing the tap on 3, to do a triple. It's not as snappy, but it works. So a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Totally works.
The other, the second variation we did is a tuck turn
Over rotation into a leader's turn.
with a little jam.
Little jam.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
and you can get out of that however you want. When you're done with your jams, we're just going to keep that connection in our frame so that when the leader is ready to follow, lead us out, we're going to feel that and can go however he wants to exit.
Do it from the other side.
From the other side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple exit.
Yep.
I'm going to kind of give you a bonus one. We didn't get to practice it much, but we did the reversed.
It's a tuck to a basket whip.
Right. So this one has a little bit of syncopated footwork. So leads, it's going to be a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Do it from the other side. Double hands. Say 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Go.